What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's garden. I snuck out in the garden. It's late in the afternoon. It's about, I think it's going on 6 o'clock, maybe 5:30. But I snuck out here and took a peek at the garden, and I have a harvest. We're gonna harvest my straight neck yellow zucchini. So this is my first time growing zucchini, and it is time to harvest them. So we're gonna go ahead and go do that together, and we're gonna try to put together a nice little dinner side dish. We're gonna do some cooking. So yeah, let's go ahead and harvest them. Do I have my scissors? I have my scissors. Put those in my pocket so I don't lose them. Let's roll. Okay, so y'all remember planting up these containers? Has it been a month yet? A month and a half ago maybe? And look what we have. Look at those! Is this squash or zucchini? Or are those the same things? I'm not sure. Look, you guys, they grew so fast. I am having some pest pressure. There's a ton of aphids, so I'm gonna have to spray those with the water hose. But sorry, somebody's doing some stuff, some work. These are ready to harvest when they're about 6 to 8 inches. So I believe this is bigger than 6 to 8 inches. This one might be maybe about 8 inches. That's a little fatty. So I'm gonna take my scissors and carefully snip this off the vine. There we go. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's nothing. I don't know. Still good. It's not open or anything. It just has a weird bottom side. But look how pretty. We'll set you there. Come in here. Carefully snip her off. Whoa. My gosh, look at that. Beautiful. So we're gonna come over here to this hose. I need to, you know what would be nice right here? I really want to set up like a rinsing station for vegetables. That would be so nice. And maybe like a table. So like a rinse station and then just a table for different things that I need. Because I'm seeing that this is like an area that I use, but I don't have a table or anything. So we'll think about that. Let's rinse these off. Perfect. I keep digging my nails into this one for whatever reason. So that means I have to use it. Let's go. Woo. Okay. So I just wanted to quickly clear that up because that was bothering me. So this is a summer squash. Now, there are yellow zucchini, and the difference between summer squash and yellow zucchini is that there's green zucchini and yellow zucchini. Straight neck squash is yellow. And there's nothing wrong with this at the bottom. It's just, it was sitting on the soil like that. So that's how that looks. I'm so excited. We're gonna do just a little side dish. They're gonna be delicious. So let's go ahead and do it.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.